controversial vehicles of the decade included the 2026 Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman. It was the turning point when Porsche ditched the engine from its iconic, mid-engined analog sports vehicle after getting behind the wheel of the all-electric 718. Though it's quite clear, Porsche didn't ruin the sports car genre. That was their specialty. In contrast to other electric vehicles, Porsche's electric vehicle possesses pinpoint handling and rocket-like acceleration because to its unconventional battery design, which avoids the common skateboard architecture. Driving in the future will be more agile, nimble, and speedy than we could have ever dreamed. According to this automobile review, what you can't see is where the 2026 718's brilliance lies. A higher floor and a higher seating position for the driver are results of the flat battery arrangement used by most electric vehicles. Porsche was unyielding. Their innovative E-Core battery design was utilized. A T-shape of batteries rather than a flat floor is employed to store them behind the driver and through the central tunnel, which is where the engine and transmission were located before. This maintains a low seating position for the driver, similar to the classic 718 gas car, and moves the mass center for real mid-engine rotational inertia. Unlike competing electric sports cars, this one doesn't have the pendulum weight, sensation, and is nimble and responsive while cornering. Designed to accommodate lightning-fast charging, it is based on an optimized version of the PPE platform. It is a respectable grand tourer for weekend adventures on mountain roads, with a range extension that adds 100 kilometers in around 5 minutes, unmistakably inspired by the Mission R idea. The 718 of 2026 represents a breathtaking advancement. When compared to its forerunner, it is more digital in look, broader, and aggressive. A lower, shark nose hood now houses the 718's 4-point LED design, an evolution of the iconic round headlamps. The front air intakes can be opened to cool, the batteries are closed to improve aerodynamics. The convertible's new flying buttress, soft top, creates a speedster-like profile, regardless of whether the top is up or down. A full-width, three-dimensional light bar is the focal point of the back, illuminating the word Porsche in the glass. A spaceship's vapor trail gives it that appearance. The performance is strong and instantaneous because there are no gears to change or turbochargers to spin. With its state-of-the-art twin motors, the all-wheel drive 718 Turbo GT generates more than 600 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in less than 2.5 seconds. As soon as you step on the right pedal, a rush of excitement flows through your veins. When it comes out of corners, the standard model still has that traditional thrust that fans appreciate because it's rear-wheel drive. The V6 sound is authentic. Porsche didn't try to hide it. On the contrary, they've turned the electric motors into instruments, turning the drivetrain's normal hum and friction into a soaring, turbine-like screech that resembles an F-16. Focused beauty abounds in the cabin. Instead of going with the living room on wheels style, it has a small dashboard that focuses on the driver. Behind the wheel, there is a curving digital instrument cluster that stands alone. On either side of it, you'll find touchscreens that control the suspension and lighting. At the very least, the raised center console still has the actual controls that Porsche uses for the climate control and drive modes. Without looking away from the corner apex, you can adjust the shock absorbers.